Friday. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we have my BeautyFIX box by Dermstore to open. This is primarily a skincare subscription and I absolutely love skincare, trying new products, learning more about it. So in today's video we will be opening the June box, and then at the end of the unboxing I will review the products we received last month. So this box, if you subscribe to it, it costs $24.95. I will link it down below. They also offer one-time purchases, so if you like what's in the box and you don't want to commit and subscribe, you can just purchase it, but it's $10 more, so it'd be $34.95. So yeah, before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, beauty, and skincare, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and joined us. That would mean so much to me. And yeah, let's get this box open. I have not seen any spoilers. I think I saw some YouTube friends post their videos, but I did not watch. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. And it says, "We're here for the unabashed love of skin." And there's a beautiful woman on the card, and on the inside, it talks about the products inside. And it looks like the theme for June is indulge me. When life gets stressful, make caring for yourself a priority. Whether it's taking time to renew your skin with a sheet mask or painting your nails, small indulgences like the one found in this month's box go a long way. Everything is wrapped up really nice in these little swigglies, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing. I had a feeling there'd be nail polish since I said, oh my god, again, I was gonna do my nails before I filmed. Ignore them. Now I have a pretty new color. I'm kind of glad I didn't. I like Smith & Colt nail polishes too. So this is definitely full size. I like their packaging. But look how pretty this color is. I'm gonna do that tonight. Damn it. My nails have been so bad. And every day when I'm filming, I'm like, oh, I'll do it tonight. And then I just forget. So this is in the shade Forever Fades Fast. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And I guess you could have gotten this in a variety of colors because on this it shows a darker color. I am really happy with the shade I received. It says, Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer. Pamper your nails with long-wearing, high-shine color that resists chipping and fading. Color will vary. Hi, Fiona. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do my nails. I think it's on my to-do list for today, too. I just want to put some on paper. I know that doesn't matter too much. Oh, so the top comes off, and that's like this. I can't remember what their brush is like. Oh yeah, this looks so pretty. Hi, Fiona. Why are you crying? Yay, so hopefully next time I film, I think this is the only video I'm filming today because I got a late start, so tomorrow I'm gonna have pretty nails. I can't wait. I think that's really exciting that they provided this in here. So it doesn't have pricing, but this is definitely full size, and I believe these are like $18 or something. If I can find it, or if I remember to look it up, I'll put it on the screen. Fiona. Next up, we have something by Skin Iceland. This is their Oxygen Infusion Night Cream. This is made with glacial flower extract. Fiona, don't scratch the rug, please. And says, a powerhouse blend of glacial flower extract and peptides renews stressed skin. So, I don't think this is full size. There is a safety seal. I'm just gonna put a little bit that's on there on the back of my hand. Feels nice. It doesn't have much of a scent, but I'm excited to try this. I feel like I've tried a few things by Skin Iceland, but it's been a while. Like, I can't even remember what it was exactly. Ooh, we have something by Orbe. This is the deluxe size. Orbe's really expensive, but I really like their products. Their packaging is really cute too, like purple. So this is their Apres, am I saying that right? Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. Ooh, nice. So it provides moisture and shine for tousled beach-inspired waves without stiffness. And it says you can shake, spray on wet or dry hair, tousle to tassel and let dry. Follow with lipstick and heels. I'll follow with lipstick, but definitely not heels. Can't go out here in Florida anyways. They closed down the bars again today, which is fine. I haven't really been going out, but I was gonna go out tomorrow finally, but I've just been staying in. But I guess I'm gonna continue staying in, but I am gonna wash my hair and style it tomorrow, I think. That's like what I was thinking, so I will try this out. And of course, next month when I unbox, I will review it at the end of that video, as with all these products. Ooh, here we have something by Clarity RX, Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil. says 4 on here. I don't know what that means, but replenish and restore. And this is definitely full size. It says daily dose, warm a few drops in palm and lightly pat on face and neck after cleansing. Follow with Clarity RX moisturizer and Skin Defense SPF 30 when needed. And then it says maintain luminous skin with this luxurious organic plant-based oil. I love oils. I haven't been using them because I was testing out, or I guess I am, I'm finishing up testing out a complete like Korean skincare routine. And there's not an oil in it, but now I get to start using these items. So there's a dropper. Oh, I've got some like black spots on me from the packing material. The swigglies. I smell everything, I can't help it. But I don't really smell anything, so that is good, but it doesn't seem like there's actually a shimmer or anything like that. I think it's just supposed to make your skin more luminous. I've never heard of Clarity RX or tried anything, obviously, because I haven't heard of them. So I'm excited to test this out. I love face oils. And don't be afraid of them. Even if you have oily skin, like oils can be really beneficial. So the next product is by the Nuco. This is their Deep Bloat Dietary Supplement. Ooh, I could use some help with bloating. Chronic relief from bloating, I think that's what it says. So this is 1 serving, or no, 1 capsule is a serving. There's 2 capsules in here, so there's 2 doses in here. And inside is a proprietary organic herbal blend. It has organic turmeric root powder, organic ginger root powder, organic cinnamon bark powder, and then it looks like they have something patented here. They're Gut Guard flavonoid rich deglyceride, what is that word? Deglycyrrhizinated licorice root extract, and then they have a proprietary enzyme blend, so there's a bunch of enzymes in there. So interesting. It says take 1 capsule twice daily with food. I'll try it out. I always like to say this, it's the pharmacist in me. If you ever get something in a box or like you want to start a new supplement, if you have any pre-existing health conditions or you take any medications, definitely check with your doctor just to, you know, double check to make sure it's safe to take. And on here it says find relief from stomach discomfort with a supplement that promotes gut health. And all the cats are coming in here now. Hi Archer. Next up we have a mask. This is by Image Skincare, the Eye Mask Hydrating Hydrogel Sheet Mask, infused with onsen su and jeju water. I'm probably mispronouncing that, I apologize. So hydrating hydrogel sheet mask, essence infused for glowing skin, formulated with a powerful blend of essential amino acids, antioxidants, and aloe vera to support the appearance of replenished, soothed, and deeply hydrated skin. Instantly quenched with mineral-rich onsen sui and jeju waters that leave the skin feeling plump, dewy, and revitalized. And then use daily for best results. But we used to have 1 here, and it says pretty much the same thing on the back, but it says refresh dull and dehydrated skin with this hyaluronic acid infused facial sheet. Nice. I've never heard of this brand too. I love trying new brands and new skincare, like I think I've said already, but exciting. So is that everything? Yep, so that is everything for our June box. So we received 2 full-size items. Well, I guess 3 because a sheet mask counts as a full-size item. Oh, I'm dropping something. So we have the sheet mask, full-size nail polish, which I'm super excited about, and I'm really excited about this Clarity Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil. And again, if I can find full-size pricing of the full-size items, I'll leave that on the screen. And I am excited to try the supplement, actually. I'm gonna look into it more. But yeah, if I'm having like a day where I feel more bloated, that would be nice to take something to help. And I'm excited to try this Orbe product as well as the night cream. Yeah, I'm excited to try everything. So I would love to know your thoughts down below on what you thought, and if you guys got this box already. I feel like I've had this for at least a week, so maybe you've had it and you've tried it out. Let us know your opinions down below, or maybe you've just tried these products outside this box. Definitely leave your comments. But now let's transition into the review for May's box. So I have most of the things in front of me. There was 1 item I gave away that was by Dr. Brandt, which is not cruelty free. It was like a cleanser, but we did receive some Hydropeptide Hydroactive Cleanse Micellar Facial Cloths. I've only used a couple of these. I've mentioned this several times throughout many of my videos that I really only use facial wipes on nights where I'm like super lazy, or if I'm like on the go and just really want to take off my makeup or something like that. And these do work. They take off makeup really well, and I guess it has some skincare benefits in it as well, so that is great. So I'll continue to use it that way. There's 30 treatments in there, so those full size. And then we received a toner. This is by GHC. It's their mild lotion, and you can see I've used a decent amount of it. I really like this. So I was looking up the ingredients since they're not on here, and pretty interesting. One of the ingredients is placental protein, and I haven't heard much about that or have had much experience with it, so I looked into it, and it can come either from like placenta from humans or animals, and I don't think it's like against vegetarianism or anything like that, because you don't have to kill animals or anything like that to get placenta, but what it does is it helps like stimulate collagen production and hyaluronic acid production, I believe, as well. So I do need to learn more about that. If you guys know more about placental protein and skincare, please leave a comment down below. But yeah, I really liked this, and I looked up the pricing too. It's not too expensive if I wanted to repurchase the full size. I think it's less than $20, like $18. But yeah, I've really enjoyed that. Another item I really enjoy with this Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So I think this does a great job at removing makeup. Just like probably like a dime size amount or like quarter size amount I would use. And it is fragrance, so if you don't like fragrance at all, like, or if you're really sensitive to it, get headaches or something, you might not like that, and you might not like any Elemis products. I feel like a lot of them are very highly fragranced, but it doesn't bother me. And I don't mind fragrance in my wash-off products, like, and I couldn't smell it, like the smell didn't linger afterwards, but it is strong when I just took a sniff there. So yeah, I'll totally use this up. I prefer the balms to the cleansing oils I discovered, which is kind of unfortunate because I think a lot of cleansing balms have plastic in it, and it's unknown how that affects like marine life and stuff like that. So hopefully it doesn't affect it poorly. I have to look it up if Elemis has the polyethylene or the plastic in it. I'll leave it on the screen. And 3 more items. We have a little deluxe size sample here by Skin Medica. It's their rejuvenating hydrator. So this is 5 forms of hyaluronic acid in it, and I do think it works well. I only used it a few times. I have a lot of hyaluronic acid products open. I feel like my cat's being bad. What are you doing in the closet? I had it blocked off something, but you got in there. But yeah, this is good. And then the last 2 products I really like. So one is by SkinCeuticals. It's their Physical Fusion UV Defense Sunscreen. It has broad spectrum SPF 50 in it. So this is a tinted sunscreen. It's very liquidy. You can see some got out since my last use. But yeah, I really like this. This has definitely gotten me intrigued and interested in using tinted sunscreen. So how I use this is I use it after my regular sunscreen, just for like an extra layer. And if I'm not wearing makeup that day, it's like tinted, but it doesn't really provide much coverage, but it does seem to even out your skin tone a bit. So I love this. You know, I'm all about the SPF, but I feel like sometimes you can like miss spots or not apply enough, because like you actually need a decent amount of sunscreen to get like the full benefit from it and full protection. So I feel like using my regular sunscreen, then a little bit on this on top, especially on days where I'm not wearing like any BB cream or something with SPF in it. Almost dropped it. Provides some, you know, a little bit of even tone, like reduces my redness on my face a little bit, and provides more coverage. So yeah, I'm totally into tinted SPFs now. If you guys use any tinted SPFs, please leave your recommendations down below. And then the last item was a makeup item, actually. It's by Terry, and it's their Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. I have it on my face today. I really like this. So it is just a setting powder that also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's supposed to make your skin look more plump and hydrated. A lot of powders can leave your skin like looking pretty cakey, and I do really like this. I don't love it under my eyes, but to be fair, I don't like any powders under my eyes anymore. I am aging, as we all are every single day, but I've just noticed, you know, my fine line, it's just like more noticeable when I wear powders underneath them, and I don't wear a bunch of concealer. Like I do put a little bit, but I don't feel the need to like heavily powder my under eyes. You know, you like see some YouTubers like baking and stuff like that. Like that's just not my thing, but I do think it looks really good all over the face, and it does blur your pores a little bit. So yeah, this is really small, but a little bit goes a long way. Oops, some powder came out. It's like in the ear now. I'm trying to show you, but some got out. I don't want to waste any product. But yeah, a little bit goes a long way. I really like this, and I will continue to use it. I've been using it most days, and I believe in my last video I was questioning whether or not by Terry was cruelty-free, and when I looked after that video, it says like on their page that they don't test on animals and they don't sell anywhere where testing is required by law, like mainland China. One of you guys said you thought they were, or they did test on animals, but I believe by Terry is cruelty free. So yeah, I really like this. And I was watching Risa Does Makeup, and she's beautiful. She's like in her 40s and she really likes this. So I think this powder is great for aging skin. Not like she looks like she's in her 40s. She's the best. But she was using like a different color. So they have, this is just in translucent, or it says zero colorless, but they have like tinted ones as well. But yeah, so it's nice to hear other people like it too. I haven't heard anyone else have tried this before, but that was everything for May. So overall, I thought May was a really great box, and now I'm really excited to start testing out the products for June. I'll probably use these all together and stuff like that. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts down below, and thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.